Go ahead.
It's not funny.
Hey, baby, hiccup some more.
It's not that funny.
It's pretty hilarious, actually. Those are the funniest hiccups I've ever heard.
They're just hiccups. They just come out that way because it catches me by surprise. Are you quite done?
I don't know. Are you quite done?
Yeah, my diaphragm is calm now.
Okay. Wait for
No,
it.
it's done. My diaphragm.